Hello and welcome everyone. We are here with another session that is the beginner's guide to the networking and जैसे ही हम step in करते हैं with respect to the world of corporate या फिर with respect to any of your future jobs. This is one of the things that you should always learn, even if you're there in the college itself. These are the major skills that you really need to know, how to really build your networks. और हम जब तक अपने नेटवर्क स्ट्रांग नहीं करेंगे, हम जब तक हमारी एलिमनाइज को स्ट्रांगली कनेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, हमारे लिए बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स रहेंगे बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टेप इन टू द सेम फील्ड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ द कॉलेज और व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट आउट ऑफ स्कूल, राइट? सो यस, हमको थोड़ा सा नेटवर्किंग करना आना चाहिए वाइल, और नेटवर्किंग विल ऑलवेज हेल्प यू विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाउ इवॉल्व यू आर गोइंग टू बी एज अ ह्यूमन एज वेल. तो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू कि आप कॉर्पोरेट के थ्रू ही आप नेटवर्किंग करिए. आप नेटवर्किंग के बहुत सारे मीडियम्स हो सकते हैं, बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं जिनके अकॉर्डिंग आप नेटवर्किंग कर सकते हैं. सो येस, व्हाई डज नेटवर्किंग मैटर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे मैंने बोला कि 85% ऑफ जॉब्स आर फिल्ड थ्रू नेटवर्किंग ओनली. जब भी कोई भी कैंपस सिलेक्शन होता है या फिर कोई भी जॉब्स होते हैं विद पर्सपेक्टिव टू, मैंने पहली जॉब करी, उसके अंदर मुझे दूसरी जॉब करनी है, तो मेरे नेटवर्क्स कितने स्ट्रांग हैं विद इन द सेम इंडस्ट्री, इट डिपेंड अलॉट. ठीक है, मेरे को काफ़ी बार आई वुड बी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड बट आई वोंट बी एबल टू क्लियर द इंटरव्यू. ऐसा भी काफ़ी बार होता है. ठीक है, तो येस, जब आपका थोड़ा सा नेटवर्किंग होती है तो आप शॉर्ट लिस्ट जल्दी हो जाते हो. ठीक है, आप इजीली इंटरव्यू तक पहुंच पाते हो. तो दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट हैपेंस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड. ऑल्सो इट बिल्ड्स विजिबिलिटी एंड क्रेडिबिलिटी. आप जितने लोगों के से कनेक्टेड रहते हो, आपकी वर्थ उतनी अच्छी होती है कि ओके, दिस पर्सन बिलोंग्स टू सर्टेन, नो सर्टेन पीपल, एंड देन नाउ यू विल ऑल्सो बी नोन. ओके, ये कहीं ना कहीं उसी फील्ड से होगा, उसी अच्छे माइंडसेट से होगा, एंड बिकॉज यू नो सर्टेन पीपल. So yes, that is also really important in life, and it also opens a lot of doors for internship, mentorship and opportunity. जिनके पास आपके ही सेम फील्ड का एक्सपीरियंस है, ऑफ कोर्स वो आपको अच्छी इंटर्नशिप्स दे सकते हैं, आपको मेंटोरशिप दे सकते हैं, आपकी मेंटी बन सकते हैं, आपको गाइड कर सकते हैं, आप उनके मेंटी बन सकते हैं, और आपको वो गाइड कर सकते हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव कि आपको आगे क्या करना है, राइट? Whenever you step into any of the world, you look up to certain people, right, in life. तो यस, अगर वो सेम इंडस्ट्री से हैं तो आप उनके जैसे बनना चाहोगे, आप उनको परस्यू करना चाहोगे, राइट? तो यस, वो आपको काफ़ी अच्छी गाइडेंस दे सकते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने वो लाइफ जी ली है जो आप अभी-अभी जी रहे हैं. तो उनके पास ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है, उनके पास ज़्यादा क्रेडिबिलिटी है, उन्होंने उन्होंने शायद 10 मिस्टेक्स करी हैं और आपको वो उन 10 मिस्टेक्स करने से बचाना चाहते हैं. तो येस, दे विल बी द बेस्ट गाइड फॉर यू. कॉमन नेटवर्किंग मिथ्स अगर मैं बताऊँ कि हम नेटवर्किंग सिर्फ़ एक्स्ट्रोवर्ट्स के लिए होती है, तो ऐसा नहीं है. इंट्रोवर्ट्स के लिए भी नेटवर्किंग होती है फॉर श्योर. इट डज़ नॉट मैटर एट ऑल. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ योर स्किल्स आर, how better you work with people, how better your work is. So yes, it is not only for extroverts. It depends upon how your skill set is, how you actually look forward for your future as well. It's about using people. No, it's not about using people. It's always about you help them sometimes and then they help you in sometimes. So that is like, certainly in that scenario, it's give and take. So I think when I went to my law school and uh, when we were told that your seniors are going to bully you, but that was all going to be different. Anytime any senior I can call and ask for help, and they are always there to help. And certainly that is how I believe the networking matters and networking helps. Only job seekers needed? No, not only job seekers needed. It's generally with respect to personal life as well. When COVID hit around the corner, I think the alumni group were really active at that moment of time. People were helping each other with respect to financial things or maybe with respect to certain other things. So yes, not only with job seekers, it can be helpful with your life as well. If you go to certain city and start living there, and if you know certain kind of people there, certain group of people there with respect to your college itself, or या फिर आप अपने ही कुछ alumni को देख रहे हो, and then those alumni will for sure help you out because you don't know much people in that city, right? They were also certainly new when they came up, and there might be someone who might be helping them as well. So yes, it's not always about job seeking stuff. It's always about a lot more than that than you can think of. Next, yes, where to start networking? It's basically college events. You can start networking. You can start networking in your seminars. You can start network. I have taken a session on how to actually build the networks while you're there on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn and online forums, you can have that. You can do a lot of internships and part-time jobs. So when you're doing internships and part-time jobs, there you meet a lot of people this with the same field, and then you can get connected with them as well, right? Then alumni and seniors and faculties. Yes, I believe जितना अच्छे आप होते हैं उतना ही अच्छा आपका सर्कल बनता जाता है. तो make sure that you yourself is always available to help. That's how I think most of the people will automatically come and help you out. So I think alumni ho, seniors ho, faculties ho, everybody is going to help you out. तो वैसे ही you just have to initiate the process, and the process is going to be done. How to approach people? To approach the people, it's like very 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 straight simple jacket formula. You have to be very polite, you have to be very personal, you have to do certain kind of research. If you really need to do, okay, I need to connect to this person, let me just ask a bit of the research. Like, there might be certain people who are friends of that person, and then you can just connect with them, get to know certain bits and pieces, and to know that human more, and then you can connect more, right? And the connection should be professional more, and like, if you really want to help them, then you can help them as well in certain perspective, and then you can pitch in slightly, okay, this is how I really need your help as well. So yes, that is how you should do. You should always introduce yourself while you're doing it. Like, okay, I am so from this field, and I have we have certain things in common. I got your number from this contact, and that's how I really need help from you with respect to this thing. So yes, you can always look down for a proper format. You can always frame certain things and then give it to chat gpt, and then chat gpt will rephrase it for you. So that is how you can actually frame it in a better grammar, in a better english as well. Then you can ask questions as well. You could always be curious about everything. So no why is a less why. You Every why has certainly some kind of value in it. So I always believe if there is a why, there is an answer to it. So yes, always ask question, always try to understand why this question is coming into your head. You have to build long-term connections. It's not just कि today I was helping and next day I was not be helping. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Life बहुत लंबी होती है, and आपके connections आपको बहुत ज़्यादा strong करते हैं within your time span. ठीक है? So always help out people. Always try to ask for help as well. It is never going to make you smaller. I think it is always going to make you bigger, that you really needed help and you asked for it. Okay, so always stay in touch. Try to remember their birthdays as well. Try to remember their anniversaries as well. And I think normal good human, everybody likes it. So even if a small gesture you can put in through, if they are helping you, you can just give them a bit of gesture of thankness, that okay, you write down a thank you note for them. So that is a small gesture that you can show to them. Or offer help when possible. Yeah, so always offer a help to the other person. Share useful content to them. Okay, so this is certainly something really useful with our certain field, and then that news or the blog or the content is there on the website, and just share them. So that is something that you can do as well, and celebrate their wins. So LinkedIn पे अगर कोई प्रोफाइल चेंज करता है और आपको उसका कनेक्शन बिल्ड करना है, तो go and congratulate them. Okay, congratulations, ma'am. Always try, if there are seniors, always try to be respectful towards them, because they don't know you. It's the first time that you're talking to them. So always be respectful. Even if after that they come up and tell you, okay, call me by my name, then it's a different story. But initially you just have to go and say, okay, so okay, ma'am. That is how you have to represent yourself. Online networking etiquettes: always use your professional profile photo. Always use it. Try to be very professional while you're doing it. Update LinkedIn bio. Always update it. मैंने ये LinkedIn पे पूरा सेशन भी लिया है. Personalized connection request: हमेशा कोशिश करो कि आप अपने ही वर्ड्स में लिख रहे हो, इवन इफ यू आर rephrasing it through ChatGPT, try to rephrase it very less, not a lot, and be responsive, not spammy. Okay, you don't have to spam them like 5 times. No, if they are not reverting back once, you can put down a reminder after 2 or 3 days. That is how the communication works, right? You cannot be like sitting on their head asking for the response. Okay. And the final thoughts, that start small, start now, try to build your network as soon as possible, try to be really friendly with people, listen more than you speak, always listen more. This is really going to help you out in your longer run, because when you're going to listen more, then your whys come, and when your whys come, you have certain kind of answers for yourself. So that is how you actually know how the other person is actually experienced uh, from you. Focus on relationship, not resumes. Always focus on relationships, always try to build relationships with people. That is going to help you out a lot. रिज्यूम तो बनता रहता है यार, और बट जब वो पर्सनल कनेक्शन होता है ना, तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो ज़रूर हेल्प करेगा. And be authentic as much as possible. You have to be very authentic with people. You have to be you. You cannot be fake at all. Like, you don't have to portray yourself to be fake. You just have to be you. So be authentic as much as possible. And that is it from my end for this session, and thank you so much. And you can follow all the telegram, all the channels of our medium. You can go and subscribe us on Instagram, Telegram, YouTube as well, with respect to each and every channel that Career Launcher have. So yes, that is it from my end. I really hope you like this video, and do comment down box whatever you really think that हम और किस session पे आ सकते हैं. Also, just like the video. That is it. Bye bye. Take care, students.